Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to allow camera access in Safari on your MacBook. If a website needs your camera for video calls, online meetings, scanning QR codes, or recording content, Safari lets you control which sites can use it. Let's begin. Open Safari on your MacBook. Now move to the top left corner of the screen and click Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. On some older macOS versions, this may appear as Preferences. Once the Settings window opens, click the Websites tab at the top. Now look at the left sidebar and find Camera. Click it, you'll now see a list of websites that have requested camera access before, along with permission settings for each one. If there is a specific website in the list, you can choose how Safari handles camera access for that site. At the bottom of the window, you'll also see the option for when visiting other websites. This controls camera access for new websites that are not already in the list. If you set it to allow, new websites can use your camera automatically. If you set it to deny, new websites will be blocked. If you set it to ask, Safari will show a permission request whenever a new site wants camera access. For most users, ask is the best balance between privacy and convenience. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. If camera access still does not work after changing Safari settings, check your Mac system permissions too. Click the Apple menu, then go to System Settings. Open Security and Privacy, then switch to the Privacy tab. Here you will see a list of applications. Scroll down until you find the Camera app. Click on it, and you will see a list of apps that have requested access to use your camera. Make sure Safari is allowed there as well. Without system permission, Safari may still be blocked even if the website setting is correct. After making changes, refresh the website or reopen the tab so the new permission can apply. And that's it. You now know how to allow, block, or manage camera access in Safari on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.